Hello, and welcome to another SLP at UCLA video. Today we'll be talking about the first steps of assemblies. Assemblies are the way in SOLIDWORKS to put multiple parts together and see how they'll fit. And it's really helpful for creating intricate moving parts with maybe gears or tracks and stuff like that. So the first step is obviously to create the assembly. And to do that, we're going to do a new assembly, and I already have this selected, but you'll probably have part selected. We're going to come over and click on assembly so it's highlighted and click OK. But I'm already in an assembly. You can see here it's called Assemb2, and I have this assembly tab here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this insert components, and this is what your assembly tab will look like when you create a new assembly. It'll automatically open up your folder and the insert components tab, but since I was in here and didn't insert any components, it didn't do that for me. So here I am, and I have this folder open. We're gonna open up practice 2 or something. We can say open, and now here I have this part, and I can drag it around, and I'm not clicking anything right now. It's just following my mouse. So when I click, it places it down, and it gets this F here. F is for fixed. So if I want to be able to move it around, so right now I can't move it around. I'm clicking and dragging, it won't move around. But if I right click and click float, now I can click and drag and it'll move around. That's how you insert components. You can do that as many times as you want. The more components you add, though, the harder it's going to be to load in the assembly when you want to open it again. So maybe we'll open this one, get our little hollow cylinder, and only the first part you insert is fixed. All the other parts are automatically floated, so I can drag this around without having to right click and float it. But I can right click and fix it with the same kind of thing. So the other thing you might want to check out here is this move and rotate components tab, or pull down menu. So if we rotate a component, we can free drag it, right? Or we can do it by a specific amount. So maybe we want it 50 degrees, click enter, and it'll rotate 50 degrees around the x-axis, which is that red one down there. Let's say we want to rotate it 20 degrees around the y-axis. We can enter. You can see it's down here now. So we can apply, and every time we click apply, it'll keep doing the thing. So click the check mark to finish it. And of course, it doesn't fix it or anything, so you can keep on moving it around if you need to. And then the move component is similar. You can free drag it, but it's not going to rotate at all. It's going to keep the same angles that it's at. Maybe we want my delta xy, we can say 50 on the x direction, or 20 in the y direction. And that's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to use the mate function, which is the main thing you're going to be using in assemblies. So I hope you learned something today, and thank you for watching, and have a great day.